Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel Cyrus Christians, and I trust God you all are doing great. As you can see, we have this gorgeous prom dress in front of us. That's the back side of this dress. Today I'm going to teach you another sewing first ever project. I already have teach you how to lace up your corset, and I want to make sure you understand well all those layers going to be on one way. There's no upside down. You have to do like one layer on top of each other, but they all are on the same directions. Okay, I hope that makes some sense. But our today main project is I'm gonna teach you how to create over-bustle for this back train. It's depending how big back train you have. My client didn't need too much, but still we had needed to create a bustle so she can have an easy access when she walk on the floor. This project is so quick and easy to do, and I'm sure you're gonna learn some new tips and techniques related with this project. So let's go ahead and start it. Thank you for tuning in, and I'm going to teach you how to create bustle on this beautiful prom dress. So first of all, I have removed the horsehair braid hemming. That's our front. You can see the front is even, and the back we still have train going on little bit even after the removing the horsehair braid. We try to save our embroidered patches here. Okay, so simply what I did, so I had 2 layers of the lining which is made out of stretchy fabric, and then I have a 3rd layer of tulle lining, and the 4th layer is actual fabric. So the first inside stretchy fabric lining I have did even, so we're gonna have only 1 lining on our way. Then the 2nd layer of stretchy fabric here lining, I try to have little bit of train with our other tulle fabric here. So our 1 layer of stretchy fabric lining and the tulle lining, they are even size, equal, and they have little bit of train. But then our this panel, the top panel, which is little longer than our even lining, and the lay of this fabric, even we try to cut fabric, extra fabric, but still the lay of the patches we cannot do much changes. So that's why my client was agree we are going to create a bustle. So the first step which I have took, I take only the 2 lining and the 1 stretchy fabric lining, because the other first lining is even, and I have put together, and here just attach a button. Okay, so you have to make sure wherever you're gonna create your bustle, there you have to add your button, because we don't need to take too much from this, as you can see. That's why I have put here. But if you have needed more, then that's mean you have a flexibility to, you can put little bit up. So the next step I'm gonna do, as you can see, you already have a safety pin here, which is added with the stretchy fabric lining, tulle lining, and the front fabric. We're gonna take a couple stitches here, and then we're gonna make a chain stitch. Why we included the linings with that? Because this gonna give a steadiness over this netty fabric, so the netty fabric not gonna have too much pressure. Same with our button as well. Why we stitch with including lining? So our actual fabric can have a steadiness. Okay, so that's the tip. Now the only part is left. I'm going to create couple stitches and create a chain stitch, and the thread I am using this one. Okay, it's a nice company and it's a shining, and I'm doing a double cord so we can have a little more steady chain stitch. Okay, so that's it. Let's make a chain stitch, which I already have teach on my channel in a different videos, which is very handy and very helpful. So go ahead and start it. Okay, just separate the layers, and I'm taking my needle inside. And other step which I'm gonna show you, so the center of the lining, I have attached them together, so we know the fabric is even from top. All the center of the lining in the center of upper fabric, they all are even and coming on exactly straight way. Okay, so just take here. Okay, we are going to secure a couple times our thread, and then we will be making chain stitch. Alright, now the next is just take it from here, bring your needle out but leave those loops here. Okay, and now we are going to start making chain. Simply bring the center one in, pull it. You already make a one chain, then again pull it, and you're gonna keep making chains until you feel like you made enough to wrap around your bottom. Okay, so I took a double string thread and make a 4 strings out of that, because I wanted to have my client steady nice chain, so she shouldn't be worried if it's gonna break up. Okay, it's coming up very nicely. Okay, I'm gonna leave little here, and we will see how it's going to coming together with the help of this little going to make a couple more, like maybe we need 5 or 6, and then we'll see. And this is extra bonus 6 here. How we're gonna close this chain? Simply just take your needle, bring it inside, and gently you close it. Okay, it's perfect. Now how you going to make a loop? Again, simply exactly same way, where we have bring our needle, take down and secure a couple times here. Okay, and let's see if there's enough thread. That look nice. So now we can just secure our thread here. And here our loop is completed. I'm just going to cut up the thread and we are going to remove the pin because our all layers are secure now, and you see that now we are just going to take this loop and loop around our button. And if I show you, how these layers are got up now. So even though she still will have, like, you know, little bit of the gathering going on her back, but still this will be not on her way. Okay, because that's the layout of our dress. She's still gonna have a little bit of train, but the all train is gather. All right, it's on a back, it's not coming at front. So I hope you like this quick DIY plus sewing video, and that will helpful in your sewing skills. Thank you for watching. And if you notice, we have did our project very professionally and easy. If you really get inspired by our today's sewing project, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and their projects, and I can continually share all those wonderful projects with you all so we all can learn together. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are and have an abundant life. Bye-bye.